Welcome to the phase 2 of the posture school program. We are practicing today the foam rolling technique to decompress your spine. Let's get ready. We're going to sit on the foam roller, extending your legs. Take a deep breath, reset your shoulders, and then roll down towards the shoulders. Lift your hips by tightening your glutes, and let's start with the shoulder rotations. We're going to take a deep breath in, and as you breathe out, we're going to bring the arms like you are swimming, facing up. If you feel tension around your neck, bring your chin into your chest to take a deep breath. And one more time, we're going to deep breath and open the arms. As you breathe in, you bring the arms overhead towards your ears with your thumbs towards the floor, and then circle around. These arms are circling in a very gentle way, keeping your hips elevated. If it creates tension on your lower back, this is the option. You can drop the hips on the floor and just focusing on the shoulder rotations. Taking a deep breath in and breathe out as your arms come to your hips. We're going to take a deep breath to reset the neck, bringing your chin into your chest, bring your hands behind your neck, and then just feel the stretch on the back of the neck. One more time, take a deep breath, reach back, and exhale, reach in. Lift the hips up, pressing your heels on the floor. We're going to do the second exercise. The arms are reaching back and forward. This time, your arms are simply long, making a letter V and down towards your hips. So we're gonna breathe as you go with the movement. You can drop the hips as an option if you feel pain around your lower back and focusing only on the shoulders. You can also stay with your hips elevated. If it feels good, tighten the glutes. It's essential to maintain the stability on your pelvic floor. This was the second exercise. Now moving into our third movement, we're going to do a side lateral stretch. Reaching down on the scapula, on the bottom of your armpit, you want to press the foam roller. Now that you're sideways, the top leg bends on 90 degrees, and then you relax, and the movement starts by bringing the top arm up and back. Try to take a look at your thumb. Keep your eyes on your hand and reach back as far as you can. This is a great stretch for your lower back and for your thoracic area. So you are opening your shoulders, but you are also opening your chest. Taking a deep breath, and as you exhale, reach back, looking towards your hand. Breathing in and breathing out, reaching back. If it puts pressure around your neck, you can always hold your neck with your arm. If it feels good, you can just rest your arm on the floor and then rest your ear on your arm. We're going to take a deep breath on every movement. Again, if it creates tension around your neck, as you see, you can have your hand supporting your neck and focusing only on the arm movement. Taking a deep breath, exhale all the way back. It feels great. And one more. Going now to switch. Let's try the other side. Let's see. Same position. We're gonna go lateral. We're gonna press the front roller on the bottom of the armpit. And then we're going to lengthen the body. Make sure your hips are one on top of the other. And then the top leg bends on 90 degrees. Taking a deep breath, reaching back with the top arm. It's a very nice spinal twist. Just come with me, exhale back, reaching back. Every rep, try to go a little deeper Be curious, try to look behind your shoulder and back. And again, if your neck hurts, you can hold it with your arm, or you can just rest your head towards your arm. Taking a deep breath, look to your thumb, keep your eye gaze on your hand. Tighten the abdominals. We can hold the head with your arm if you feel tension around your neck. Taking a deep breath as you come in down to the floor. Exhale, reach back. Feels really, really good. We're trying to do this exercise to open areas that are tight. And I'm going to show you now a different angle so you see the rotation goes from one side to the other. Make sure your hips are at the same level. You're going to take a deep breath. As you come to the floor, exhale all the way back. So we're going to do about 30 more seconds on this movement. You can find your tempo. Okay, now we are going to target our quadriceps. Facing down like you are going to do a plank, we're going to position our body in all fours, then walk your hands where you can press your elbows aligned to the shoulders. Then we're going to press the foam roller in top of the thigh. Below the hip, above the knee. We're going to slide the body back and forward, rocking back and forward. Tighten the abdominals. We are reaching towards the top of the thigh, feeling the stretch on the top of the thigh. This area gets really tight when you're sitting for long hours. Tight quads will actually compromise your lower back. So this is actually amazing to release your lower back. We're going to breathe in and out as you see me. You can bend the knees to decompress even more. After this, we are moving now to the IT band stretch. For the IT band stretch, we are going to press the foam roller below the hip, above the knee, sideways. We are reaching areas that are really tight. We are feeling this deeply, and I invite you to smile and to just concentrate on the stretch. You can close your eyes and release the tension accumulated on the side of your thighs. If you find trigger points, you can stay on those trigger points. Perhaps close to the knee or close to the hip, you may feel tension and you can stay there for a few seconds. Use your breath to release the tension and pressure, and also to control the motion. Feels great, huh? Now we are moving to the other IT band. So switch aside and let's see how it feels on the other side. Same position, we're going to press our body sideways. The top leg is going to be the leverage to move back and forward. And you are having the hands far away from each other to support your body. Remember to perhaps close your eyes and concentrate on the release of the IT band, and also to find those trigger points and to use your breath to relax. I really feel this close to my knee, and I just breathe and smile just to release the tension on my face, avoiding the wrinkles. It feels so good. Just keep trying to keep finding those trigger points. Okay, we are moving to the next section, which is going to be your hamstrings. So let's take a seat on the foam roller. You want to have your arms on the side of your hips, lengthen the legs, long spine, long posture. Decompressing the hamstring is important to decompress your lower back. So you want to be rocking back and forward. Again, you are reaching on the bottom of the leg towards the knee, and we breathe as you rocking back and forward. Try to tighten the abdominals and breathe in and out, opening your chest and also decompressing your hamstring. It feels really good. Keep breathing. And awesome. So for this practice, I'm giving you last one for the legs, which is your decompression of the shin and ankle. So we're going to sit on the knees. Perhaps this is enough to feel the stretch on your ankle. But if you want more, you can actually use a foam roller to elevate your knees off the floor. Remember, this is an advanced stretch. If it's too much for you, come back in the floor with your knee on the floor. If you want more, perhaps in a few weeks from now, you will be able to reach your knee off, like you see, lifting with the help of my hands, taking a deep breath, long spine, and then reaching the opposite shin stretch. It feels so good, very deep. We are standing for many hours, and sometimes we put so much pressure around the ankle and we forget this area. Awesome. Now we're moving to the last segment, which is actually the upper body. We are working on the shoulder opener unilaterally. So with one arm, you want to reach out and in all fours. Make sure your knees are under the hips. You're going to bring the side and open. You're not only stretching your shoulder, you're also releasing the tension around your forearm. Remember to breathe every time you extend. Exhale. Inhale as you come back into all fours. So you can go deeper. And let's switch the side. Let's see how it feels in the other side. And we are breathing in and breathing out. Bring in your thumb out. And then go deeper. Breathing, yes. Let's practice now a little deeper. Yes. All right, so moving to bilateral, we're pressing both arms and then stretching. Very important to stabilize your pelvic floor by tightening the abdominals and finding that support on your hip as you stretch your arms overhead. The goal on this exercise is to bring your arms right next to the ears, so you really get into deep stretch around your scapula, around your shoulder blades. We are breathing in. And as you breathe out, we're gonna hold this last one. Really good. Now let's practice a stretch that you have heard before, is thread the needle. Thread the needle also with a foam roller. You are pressing your body in all fours. And then one of the arms is going to go through the space and side rotation. This is great for those that are sitting for long hours in front of the computer. Typing using the smartphones is great to also activate your shoulder blades. So switch the side, bring in the hand in that little window, and then thread the needle. We're gonna practice 4 times. 2, breathing in, breathing out. 3, breathing in, breathing out. 4. And that was the foam rolling decompression today. I hope you really enjoy it. Remember, if you have questions, reach me to yoafitness.com. Namaste.